Hey guys, my name's Corey. If you notice that the light at the bottom of the bug zapper isn't working, so I'm going to show you how to change it. Hey guys, first thing you're going to want to do is unplug this because you don't want to work on things that are turned on. First thing I'm going to do is take out these 4 Phillips screws. Oops. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is take out this bug tray with all the dead bugs in it. Next thing I'm going to do is take these grills off these things, front and back, like this, and get them off. Alright guys, next thing I'm going to do is turn this thing around, that way we can get the light bulbs out, like this. Alright guys, next thing we're going to do is take these old light bulbs out to clean the bug zapper, like this. Okay guys, here's the new light bulbs that we're going to replace these with to put in the bug zapper. And here's the number that we got off of Amazon. Okay guys, here's the brass brush that I'm going to use to clean up the bug zapper to get all the spiders and bugs off of this, just like this. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you do not want to work on this while it's plugged in because it will zap you. Hey guys, these are the bulbs I got off of Amazon. What you want to do is just take them out very carefully and not drop them because you'll have to buy more off of Amazon. Hey guys, what you want to do is take them out like this and then pull them out very carefully, that way you don't bust them. And then you put them in here like this. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I'm gonna twist them forward. And you do it like this right here. Oh boy. That messed up. Uh-oh. Okay guys, what you're going to want to do next is twist it forward like this so that way it can click like that, and then the next one like this. Okay guys, what you're going to want to do next is close the grills like this. That way after you're done, you don't want to put the screws in, and so we can make sure that the light bulbs work. Okay guys, what you're going to want to do next is put the switch on, that way you see if it works, and put the screws back in. Okay guys, this is how you change the light bulbs in a bug zapper, and there will be more to come. Subscribe to my channel.